reviews, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Salomon ACS Plus OG. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our next reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And it's fun to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got to look at the Salomon ACS Plus OG. What says Plus? It could be ACS and OG, whatever. If anyone from Salomon is watching, we know that you are. Let us know how you correctly name this sneaker. So we got this in the Quarry Blueprint Green Ash colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 41 1/3, and it's US men's 8. So we have another sneaker from Salomon. Big fan of Salomon, you know, that whole gold core fashion trend. To me, it's never dying. I'm always wear some form of gold core. And where else can you go with the footwear but Salomon? So let's do unboxing, and here they are. So we've done tons of Salomon reviews in the past before, so you get the chance, check it out. We've got playlists for that. But today we are looking at the ACS Plus OG. So we'll start with the outsole. So the outsole is an all rubber outsole with proper lugged, good grip, because you've got that contour grip there, and it's symbolized on the middle in that red. Again, heavily lugged with that traction. The midsole, got a foam midsole unit, and it uses the agile chassis system that Salomon is famous for. It's there for your cushioning, and it's there for the structure of the shoe. And the upper is a combination of the ACS sneaker from Salomon and archival OG sneakers from the mid-2000s. So you look at the upper, it is a mix of materials. You've got it going on here. The base of it is essentially a mesh, so you can see it in that blue colorway that makes the whole body of the sneaker. And then on top of that, you've got layers of synthetic materials. So you've got a lot of like key pressed plastics that's found in the toe box right there for you. And it's obviously this anti-abrasion, because you're going to be using this in your trails and some trail running. You look at the lateral side. So the lateral side, again, this toe box continues all the way. It's the whole structure of that synthetic materials. It's like a band that goes all around, and you've got this power band here, this cage system to help structure and support your feet there for you. You've got the lacing system, so you've got a quick lace system, very easy to lace. Essentially, you just pull the tab and it tightens. And what I like to do personally, I like to put this underneath the lace so it doesn't fill about anywhere. Nice padded tongue made of mesh. You've got the Salomon logo as well. Right there on the tongue as well, you've got the Salomon logo on that tag. At the heel counter, again, you've got that more like a rubber unit with the Salomon lettering. And at the heel, you've got the Salomon logo with a pull tab. It's very lightweight. It's what you want in a trail running sneaker. And you look at the insole, so you've got ultralight technology, and it's a gel insole also. Great colorway. That blue complements the grey, and that little hits of the green. Big fan of Salomon, what they've done these past couple of years in regards to the footwear industry. You see more people wearing like this kind of gold core-esque sneakers instead of your old Adidas and Nike. And it's a good place to be if you want some good pairs of sneakers for hikes, trail runs, whatever, even like urban exploring, just to hit these in the streets. I'll recommend Salomon, and can't wait to try these on. So right off, we'll be trying this ACS Plus OG run for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Salomon fit. I am typically a 7.5 when it comes to footwear. The XT4 review that we've done, I was wearing a size 8. That fit fine. There was a bit of slippage and a bit of space on the toe, but it's more or less, it does fit. But this is so much better. It's the right fit. It's what I should have got when it came to the XT4. But no, these are the really dope ones. Very lightweight as well. And I could feel that the grip underneath on my feet. And the overall thing that is so important to many of us, it's very comfortable. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at One Up Reviews on TikTok and on Instagram. Until next time, peace.